Hey everyone, Deb here. I have not done Shuffle Cut Create hosted by Martha Makes Art in quite a while. This is the book I was using, but I was using large, what size are these? 5x7 index cards. I can't find my stash of them, but they're here somewhere. So, and then I was gluing them in. No, I wasn't gluing them. I was using removable squares so I could take them out and use them as card fronts if I wanted to later. So the last one I did was November, but I've written down all the prompts and saved pages. But we're going to do Marches, March 25th to April 24th, I guess. And it is magazine and calendar are the two prompts. There's always two prompts every month. So this was my kitchen calendar last year. It was free from Alzheimer's. They didn't send one this year because I haven't donated in a while. Maybe they're not doing them anymore. I don't know. So I pulled a page out of there, which is this one, which was, it says Colorful Summer Forest. I didn't realize that because that was actually on the back of February in the picture they had for March. So I'll either use that one or I thought, let me just see, there was another one I liked in here better for, yeah, Meadow Landscapes. I may use that. I don't know yet. I'm still playing around with it. And then I found some things in the magazine. This is from 2024, number 3. So it was like springtime. Anyway, I don't I don't usually get these because they're expensive. I might have gotten this at Joann's, and they're the only place around here I know that used to carry them. So there are some cutout flowers, pictures that were made with paper, and I have a little heartburn cutting it apart. And there's these pieces. It's to make this, but I won't make this. So I can use this and these flowers. It even has little scissors on there to cut them to make them for that thing. And then I thought I like this border and this and a little watering can, so I might cut those out. This is for gardening, but I don't do good at gardening. And then there were these strips of washi tape stuck in here, so I thought I could use some of that. And then there's this piece of paper. I might cut some of these out. It's just like that, so I don't know. And then the words step into spring, and there was another place I thought I had marked that said joy of spring or something like that. I don't know where it is now. I lost it. But there's another place that said joy of spring. So, and March 20 something, 21st, I think. Oh, here. I did have it marked. The Joy of Spring. So that's a little smaller than that other one, so I might use that and just cut that out. And actually, that salad plate looks really good too. So, and the tomatoes. I'm not sure exactly how this is going to end up, and I'm probably going to do it right on the page this time, like a glue book, because I don't know where maybe that was the last large index card I had. I'll check. If it is, I might just do it in here on the page, except for where I wrote. So I'll be back and show you what I did. Hang on. Okay, everybody, I'm back. Here is my piece for hashtag Shuffle Cut Create, hosted by Martha Makes Art. It's the prompts this month were from actually March 25th to April 24th, I think. Magazine and calendar. So I did not glue it down yet. This whole back was part of that May Alzheimer's calendar. And it was used, you can see. Had little stars on it for Memorial Day. Wow. The only thing I used that was not from the calendar or the magazine was this washi here, which was these butterflies, because this little strip here had butterflies in it, and there and there, and then a little bee. So this was part of a border on a page in the magazine. The plate of salad, tomato salad, I cut around the edge and then I realized I didn't move it over far enough, but it's okay. I just used the other part here. Um, the wildflowers were on the calendar. This was a strip of washi from the magazine. It was these tore out of the magazine and they're washi tapes. I thought it just added some pink in there that I wanted. And then this was on the same tomato page, as was the Joy of Spring, which I fussy cut out and just glued down. And then this little piece was on a different page, and the watering can was on the same page, I think, as this. I think this is thistle. I'm not 100% sure. And these yellow birds, and this flower, this flower, this flower, and this little trio of tulips down here were all off of this, oops, which came in the magazine. See, there's part of the border I didn't use, and I saved this little bit because it's got pretty blue on the back. But I thought about using the vase, but it just didn't quite fit with the garden kind of thing I have going on here. And the bird is, I actually glued this down too close to the edge, and I didn't want the bird's tail to be cut off because I originally had wanted to have him on the handle, but it's okay. He landed on there, and this one's on the flower, and I like it. I really like it. It's vibrant and pretty, and I don't know if it's collage-y enough because I don't do collage that often, but I enjoyed doing it and had fun with it. And thank you, Martha, for hosting this fun collaboration. And it's an open collaboration. Anybody can join in. You just follow the prompts and try and post them before the next one, which is normally on the 25th of each month. So April 25th, which is right around the corner, a week from now, pretty much, week and a day or two. It should be coming out around then. So stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for being here and watching. Be sure to go over and check out Martha Makes Art. And I'm pretty sure I saw that she posted her magazine and calendar something. I didn't watch it yet, so I'm going to go watch that next and see what she did. Okay, guys, take care. Have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you again soon. Hugs, love, and peace.